Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making method that's going to take a little bit of upfront work, but this is a passive method, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can start to get some money for days, guys, and literally days. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this going. It only took me a couple of minutes to get a faucet ready and starting to work for me. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do. So make sure you leave your Bitcoin address down in the comment section of this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up because I'm going to be doing a giveaway at the end of the week for every video that I upload during the week. So make sure you start putting in your Bitcoin address down below. And now let's get started with today's money making method. So first off, this method has to do with Express Crypto again, guys. And I know I'm going to start to do some go. So this method is going to be consisting So this method has to do with Express Crypto. It is a website, guys, so you can actually do this on your mobile devices as well, but I like to do it on my desktop because I have it running 24 hours a day, just because I run other different faucets and different websites and just different stuff like that. So right now I'm already up to Express Crypto right here. So if I refresh the page, you're just going to see this 880 just start to add up real quick. So watch this, 880, 891 right here, guys. 89.18% already. So my account's just growing and growing like crazy for doing these methods, guys, and staying consistent. And the whole purpose of me using Express Crypto again is because of this staking platform. My whole goal on this is to update Tron and get Tron making me some cryptocurrency every single day. And I'm going to start to use Cardano and Potcoin and even Tezos. So this is my whole strategy with cryptocurrency at the moment with these types of websites that I'm about to show you right now. And this one's a brand new one, guys. So keep watching this video. And now let's get on to the video right here. You can see that a website just popped up, and that's just the advertisement from the website that I'm about to show you right now. So this is the website right here, guys, and I've recently just sent a community post inside of my YouTube channel showing you guys this website, but here it is right here. It's called Best Shop Auto, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right away. So you see the timer just got through hitting 0 and it just restarted. So let's go back to Express Crypto really quick so I can show you some payment proof right now. Let's refresh the page. This number just grew a tiny bit more. Let's scroll all the way down. Let's open up this your recent claims in the last 24 hours, and you just see this right here, guys. 3 of them already within seconds, within even less than a minute, guys. I've already got some crypto right there. If you come back over here to number 2, got some more right there. Number 3, got some more right there. This is a passive method that you can get started making some money today. It is so simple and so easy to get started, and you can see I have this ready for, I believe, almost 2 days or even 3 days already, guys. So it says minutes remaining 2,296. This changes, guys, but so this is not really that accurate, so it should be more. And every time I do another short link or a CTC wall, it changes up here, guys. So look, it says 1 day and 14 hours up there, so I can easily show you how you can actually get that growing quickly. So look, once you sign up with your user ID from Express Crypto right here, you're going to be logged into the account. Now you have 2 options. You can do a normal mode or you can do sleep mode. If you click on this little icon right here, guys, it's going to pop up this little tab right here. It says sleep mode allows you to continue your claiming every 60 seconds when the tab is closed. However, enabling this mode will consume 20% of your reward for each coin. Selecting the coin you want to claim below, then validate. So look, that is how you do this, guys. You come over here, you click on either normal mode or you click on sleep mode, then you click on validate, and then you come down here and you select the coins you want to use. And I just went ahead and just selected all of them just to see what happens. But if you want to deselect all of them, just click on right here where it says deselect, so we can start to select any coin that we want. So I'm gonna just go back and go do Cardano and Tezos. Let's do some Tron, Ripple, and Potcoin. I believe that's the Potcoin one right there. So I'm just going to use these for this method, guys, and just keep it at this because I wanted to continue my staking. So now since we selected the coins, let's just click on validate just to make sure, guys, that it's going to stick on with those coins, and we're going to start to accumulate some free cryptocurrency. So it does take sort of a while, this website. I believe it's because of all the ads that are showing or just how big the file is. So just give it some time, guys, and let it load up. It's possibly because of me, because it's actually snowing at the moment. I'm here in Colorado, so I'll be right back. So now the next thing we have to do is come over here and then start to grow our time so we can make this passive. So since you already selected your mode, you already selected your coins, now let's come over here and click on short link wall, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to start making some money passively. So now I've recently just did a couple of these really easy and simple guys to do. So I did the Dutchy Corp right here. Now we have 8 views for 200 minutes. For 200 minutes, this one's FCLC, so super easy to use this one as well. So let me show you how to do that right now. You click on the short link that you want to use, come over here, click on continue, and then once you click on continue, exit out of all the ads. You just want to worry about this tab right now. Exit out of all of the ads. Anything that shows up, just keep exiting it out and keep clicking on continue. Now once this tab changes, then we can move on to the next one. So it's just all these ads that are keep popping up. Keep on trying to continue and clicking on this I am not a robot captcha, and then eventually it should work for you. Do all the captchas real quick, and look, click here to continue. Now once this changes, we are finished, guys. So look, this is our last one. So I just like to click on random places so we can have all the ads pop up already within the 5 seconds that it's wanting us to wait. Now once it's finished, now we can click right here where it says get link, and we should have been completed now. So now it's going to come back and say thank you. Now look at the time. So we're at 1 hour, or 1 day 13 hours. So now in a couple of minutes, or once this page refreshes, it should be more. Look, 17 just changed right in front of your eyes, your guys' eyes. So simple and so easy to make this passive, guys, and it is paying out. So let's refresh the page here real quick and see what we have accumulated already. Let's come down here, go to Express Crypto, and boom, another payout, guys. So simple and so easy to make money from this one website right here. And there's multiple ways you can do this. Look at all of these short links that you can use. We have 1 views, 10 views. You can do that 10 times, 1 time, 8 times, 3 times, 3 times. Look at all of those, all that money and all that time that is passive. So now let's go back over here real quick. Let's come down here. You also have PTC walls. So you have a pay to click. You can click on there. You can come over here and just start to do these pay to click walls. So you have click walls, bits walls, offer for all, Skippy ads, and ASIA mag, or I'm not sure how you say that, but you have that as well. So if we come back over here, guys, you also have offers and surveys. And the cool thing about this one, guys, is right here. Go to my account. So let's go to my account really quick. Let me find that. So I think I just clicked here last time. So let's go to my account, and let's go to claim boosts. That's what's pretty interesting to me, guys. So let me exit out of all that. Here's the claim boost tab. So within the claim boost tab, it says right here, 2 times unlock this boost by completing at least 1 offer, any offer that has 5,000 minutes. So look at that. 3 times. You can do this right now, guys, and I'm about to do that after I'm finished with this video, so I can start to accumulate 4 times, 3 times, 5 times more of my cryptocurrency plus time, guys. So this is a really awesome website that I've recently just found, brand new, and you should get started right now by clicking the link down in the description of this video so you can start to make some passive income today. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.